Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my November 2021 Witch's Moon box. As you can see, I was halfway through an unboxing before my camera, which said the battery had 22 minutes, died 2 minutes in. So just really briefly, a recap. Okay, the lovely art, Witch's runes, very cool. Spell page, Witch's prophecy. An oracle, renewal. Amber eyes, incense. The theme is a witch's prophecy. Iris bath salts, and they smell sweet. And prophecy oil, which also smells the same to me. Carmenta's brew, and a muslin tea bag. Bearberry, absinthe, and this beautiful little moon. Super psyched about that. Alright, now we're caught up. So let's look at our candle. Here we go. Purple. Purple, purple. Alright, we've got a bag here. Aha! Our witch's runes with the symbols that were already discussed over here. Very nice. And let's see what's in here. Ooh. A abalone box. But this one's a black shell. Little mother of pearl there. Oh. I always feel like I'm going to break it. Alright, let's read about this. It's going to be a shorter video because most of it's a recap. This wonderful time of year is so critical to our growth and our commitment to our practices. As the days become shorter and the winding nights become more prominent, we settle into our shadow work and exploration. It is during this time that we rely on a variety of divinatory tools to help guide us toward prophecies that may alter the course of our journey. These moments are so special and unique to each of us. Found within our choices and intentions are the seeds that become manifested through seeking answers and guidance without interruptions and false perceptions. In this very special collection, we work with a very unique divinatory tool created to accompany you on the important and purposeful path ahead. Exclusive oak witch's runes with satin pouch. So created in powerful and influential number of 13. These runes can represent the 12 astrological signs, with the 13th rune representing the eye or the watcher. The symbols you find on each of the runes can be traced back to the Far East, Africa, and the European continent. These symbols can be found within the talismans of early gypsies as well. As explained by Susan Shepard in her book, A Witch's Runes, the inspiration of these specific runes, many aspects of the symbols used within the witch's rune were originally used in writings of the Picts, also known as the Pixie. So basically, it just has some history here about it. I'll let you guys read. The Witch's Runes Book of Shadow artwork, which is lovely. Black shell and mother of pearl box. So that's beautiful. Hand-rolled Witch's Prophecy spell candle. Intention of enhancing your ability to refine your intuition during this sacred time. It has The oils of amber and patchouli. Very cool. Witch's Prophecy Book of Shadows artwork to accompany the spell candle. That's the spell scroll. Prophecy Magical Anointing Oil. This was a really sweet smell. Enhancing your psychic perception. Ylang Ylang, almond, jasmine, anise, and clove with mugwort and wormwood herbs and Lemurian quartz. Very nice. And some divination oil. Carved moss agate. It's so lovely. Very nice. Wormwood or absinthe. Commonly known for its wonderful connection to the spirit world. Bearberry or uva ursi. Sprinkled in your altar with your candle. It enhances or opens your third eye. Carmenta's Brew. Prophecy. Carmenta, the Roman goddess known for her astonishing intelligence, prophetic sight, and innovation. This ritual herbal tea is raspberry leaf, chasteberry, nettles, linden, and cinnamon. Amber eyes. Incense. Iris, sacred salt. Iris is the daughter of Thaumas and Electra in Greek mythology, and is the rainbow. So that's really cool. What is the smells? Jasmine, vanilla, and neroli, rose, chamomile, and lavender, oat, lemon balm, orange, and red clover herbs. So very nice. Winged messenger oil from their personal cabinet. The Universal Folk Oracle card, and a parchment paper. So very, very cool. Paper. I love it. I think I have I know I have one of these somewhere, but a big one. It came a few boxes back, but it wasn't black, it was white. Somewhere around here. I'll have to find it. These are a nice hefty size. Really cool. Always something different. I'm definitely going to take some more time to explore, and I look forward to hearing what you guys think about the box. So as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have the information about the box in the description below, and I'll talk to you soon.